Hi all, welcome back. In this tutorial we will be discussing about Jetpack Compose box with the code example. In the previous sessions we already discussed about column and a row in Jetpack Compose, and if you have not watched those videos, please do watch those videos first and come to this session, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like video. Okay, so first we can recap what we learned in the previous session. So in the previous session, we learned about what is box, and box is used to place your children on top of each other as a Z order like frame layout, and it is useful for stacking views like background, content, and overlay. So the example, the syntax of box is like this. Okay, we have box and then we can add children, like we have created one text compose with the text bottom and another text with the name top, etc. So this is the syntax. Then we can move to the code example. Okay, so please create one project. Okay, so you can create one project. I have already created one new project. So if you are not familiar with this, you can go to file, then go to new, then new project, and here you can select this empty compose activity. So this is a compose project tool. Then go to the next button, then you can give your application name and the location which you need to save your project. Okay, then enter finish button. So once you enter the finish button, you will get a uh, main activity, okay, with some default, some greeting example. You can remove those method. Okay, so you can remove the greeting example, and first of all I would like to uh, create one method, composable method called function, then compose box example. Okay, I will be creating box example, and this method will accept one argument, that is modifier. Okay, modifier. Okay, so from here I will be calling. So if you are unfamiliar with this scaffold, please don't worry, I will give a new tutorial about what is scaffold and how to use it, etc. Okay, right now please keep in mind that, okay, this is one of the composable functions. Scaffold is one of the composable function. Okay, so I will be calling this method. So I am trying to call this method box example. Okay, so I am passing the modifier as a one of the tags, one parameter modifier, right? So here I'm adding modifier is equal to modifier dot padding inner padding. Okay, okay, so here I have created this method. Then here I will create the box, right? So this I will create one box, and inside box I will try to create one text. Okay, I will create one text. Content is text 1. So let me see what is in this preview. We can see the preview, how it look like in the actual device. Okay, so here I have to, for that I have to call in the preview, you have to call, right? So I will be box example, I have to call this. Okay, so I have called this box example. It will render the, yeah. So we got this text one on the top. Then let me add one more text over here as a second children, text. Okay, I will add my text to. Then let us check how it's look like. Okay, so we can see that as expected it is this. What happened, this overridden, like on top of text word my text 2 is printed. Okay, so that is what we said, it will be arranged as a stack, right? Text 3, so it will be overwrite, right? Again text 3. Okay, so this is the behavior of box. Okay, it will be children will be arranged as a stack. One, okay, in the order. The text 1 will be in the bottom, text 2, my text 2 in the middle, and my text 3 in the at topmost element. Okay, this is what the box. Okay, so if suppose I want, okay, let me remove this one, right? So I want this to be arranged on what we can have arrangement content alignment. So alignment dot, okay, alignment dot, I have to arrange the center. What will happen if you give alignment, content alignment to center, it will go to the center. Okay, then we can alignment dot bottom. Okay, alignment dot uh, we can give center end, right? Okay, so it's a center end. Then we can give, if you want to over here, okay, top start, top start, so it will be over here, top start. Then top start, then top center, it will be over top center here. Then top end, it will be over here. Okay, then we can like center will be in the center. Then we can add, if you want over here, then what will be the property, center start, right? Center start. Okay, center start. Then if you go center, it will be center, then center end, center end here. Okay, so if you want over here, what, bottom start. Okay, bottom start. So bottom start, bottom center and bottom start. Then bottom, okay, bottom center and bottom end. Okay, got right. Okay, so this is all about the box in Jetpack Compose. So this is all about box in Jetpack Compose, and also okay, so we can have bottom start, So just I'm trying some example, right? So this is what about the jetpack, the box. Okay, so please do some exercises like how you can arrange your children's in a different way. Okay, so using the box we can do this. So thanks for watching. Okay, the next session, in the next video we will be discussing about one example. Okay, one of the screen. In that screen we will use both border column, row and boxes. And please try to do some of, take one example screen and try to implement those screen. Okay, the layout, not the functionality, only the layout. Okay, so in the next section we can see. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.